Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we are going to talk about Samsung S23 Ultra. So before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Many people are claiming that they have bought the Samsung S23 Ultra from the outer markets, but the Samsung did not launch it officially. Samsung will launch it officially in February. Many people are also making video on the unboxing of Samsung S23 Ultra. Samsung S23 Ultra have become most leaked phone in 2023. In Samsung S23 Ultra, we will see UFS 4.0 storage. The Samsung S23 Ultra will release with 200 megapixel camera with 8 Gen 2, which will be able to record 8K 60 FPS video recording. In Samsung S23 Ultra, we may see 1080p 960 FPS slow-mo video recording. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you still do not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Samsung S23 Ultra will be able to capture better zoom photos than the Samsung S22 Ultra with better 10x periscope zoom lens. The price of Samsung S23 Ultra will be starting for $1,100. A 6.9-inch display with a better and faster S Pen with 2400 nits Brighton display, which will be brighter than the display of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave your relevant comment and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.